another episode of Aura World. And today I am going to play Infinite Craft. So this is how much I got. I have a lot. So I didn't try these two. How dinosaur even exist? Super Saiyan, Godfile, Goku. Okay. This is like what you call infinite Super Saiyans. And then let me go here. The maximum Super Saiyan God. This is what we call the Max Super Saiyan. Wait, what? Yeah, no more Super Saiyan stuff. This is way too much. Super Saiyan God, man. I just don't do that. A Drake plus Drake equal Dragon. Okay. Marriage plus in-laws equal outlaws. Sure. R.I.P. Zombie. Love plus Zombie equal hearts. What? Will be okay. What is it? Weed plus Storm. What? Okay, no, sorry. Yo. I want to see. Got the Max Super Saiyans. I wish that movie actually comes out. And there's a lot of heavy rains. Dragon Ball. Super Saiyan plus Dragon Ball. Dirty Mighty. Goku Dirty? Nah. A rich submarine. Submarine. What? If you're in the forest, you can make it. I'm just trying to... I just want to try to make anything that's actually good. Tarnish. Oh, I'm trying to make the Titanic. Oh yeah. Where's the Titanic? This is where I saw Titanic. Yeah. Titanic plus. Let me try to make an iceberg. Super Saiyan. No. Laws. Goku plus is Goku. Goku, okay. I'm gonna add the most first discovery I have into water. Fish. Rice. Now, wait. So I got this time you see Windows 11. Let me try to make Windows 11. Let me try to add more Windows. No, Windows 10 plus Windows. Windows 10. Bill Gates is crazy. Bill Gates. Okay. Crash plus Bill Gates. Windows. So Windows plus Crash equal error. Oh, plus Windows 11. Error plus Windows 11. Windows 10 plus error. Or blue screen. Drunk submarine. Captain Nemo. Captain Nemo. Wedding. Clear all the boards. Dun, 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 dun. I want to see Atlantis. Let me, okay. Aquaman. Blue screen. Aquaman plus Aquaman equal Aquaman. That's what they just did. Aquaman. Yeah, it was like that, yeah. Rice plus rice equal rice field. Rice field plus sushi equal rice. So do I just add this? And that's all for today. Smash that like button if I should make a part 2 on this. Bye guys.
Bang.